Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 BMW F800GT. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a closer look at this BMW. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It's only one former keeper, and it is also data tagged. So we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. This is in a matte metallic blue. It does come with ABS. It does also have the ESA, which is the electronic suspension. It does have, I think it's 3 or 4 rider modes as well. So let's get a good look at all the plastics on this left hand side. Everything's looking in good condition. So let's get a look at the side of the tank and the side plastics and side of the seat. You notice it has got the full 3-piece BMW luggage. There's our quick release, so you can lift them off and take them with you. It does also have a main centre stand as well as the side stand it's on. Get a look at the exhaust on this side. Get a look at the back wheel. Look at the luggage on this side. And let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Let's get a look over this top box. We'll move round to the back of the bike. Move round to the right hand side. Okay, look at those boxes. Let's take a look over this left hand side. Right hand side even. Just move the bars so you can see all of the tank. Let's get a look at the back wheel. As you can see, these are belt driven, so no chain and sprocket. Well, the majority of BMWs are shaft driven. These are belt driven. Let's get a good look low down. And we'll finish off at the front right and front wheel. So what we'll do now, we'll go up, take a look at the dash and the controls, and we'll get the exact mileage. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you got your front brake, throttle, kill switch and starter, and on this side you've also got the button for the heated grips. And you've also got the mode button, which is for the riding modes. And we'll move over to the other side. You've got your clutch, lights, indicators, horn, and this is for the suspension, the ESA suspension, your info button, and your hazards. So let's turn this on. Get a look at the mileage. He says take a look at the mileage. Let's have a look through. So it's done 10,116 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.